For health-conscious people who want to use food as medicine rather than medicine as food, I present you with Herbal Goodness. Our company manufactures premium quality organic and natural superfoods and herbs in the form of dietary supplements, extracts, herbal teas, smoothie, green powders, all to naturally support healthy living and impact lives. We're here to support those who believe in food as medicine rather than medicine as food. From health categories like blood support to immunity, digestion, sleep support, metabolism, joint health, Herbal Goodness currently manufactures over 42 different products to boost your health and wellness. We stand out in the marketplace because of our values. 1. Quality. 100% organic certified, non-GMO, and made right here in the US. Every single batch of our ingredients is tested to the highest standards by third-party certifiers. 2. Sustainability. We believe in the environment, we're green, and we use recyclable or biodegradable packaging where possible. We source directly from small farmers, and we know our farmers by name, and we contribute to their communities. Through our giving, we help increase the availability of chemical-free food. 3, and most important to me, impact. We believe in business for social good. We give 10% of our profits to support the education of girls in Africa. Last year, we impacted over 10,000 African girls through our partnership with the WOW Foundation, and I'm very proud of the work we do. My name is Dr. Unomo Crawford. I'm the founder and CEO at Herbal Goodness. Thank you for meeting with us, and welcome to the Herbal Goodness experience.